Manisha Sinha, welcome you to the video made for Standard 4 Managing Files and Folders Chapter 2 Part 7. Students, today we will going to discuss about files and folders. What is a file? File is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device such as hard disk, CD, DVD or pen drive. As we keep important papers in a file, likewise, any information in a computer is saved in a form of file. Each file is given a file name which helps us to find it whenever required. Let us understand with an example. Whenever we have to keep some important paper, we create a file for different important papers. Okay. So likewise in computer, the information is stored in the digital form, and this digital form information is stored in some of the devices such as hard disk, CD, DVD or pen drive. We keep it in the file, in the form of file, as we do in our daily life, and these informations are saved for the future use, or further we require them, we give it a file name so that whenever necessary we can find it through the file name. Okay. Now, folder. As we keep our files in file cabinet, similarly a folder in a computer is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. A folder can hold other folders as well. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. You can differentiate a file from a folder with the help of the icons associated with them. Now, we know about the files, but similar kind of information are kept inside a similar kind of cabinet as we do it in our real life. In real life, we make a folder of different kind of information of file. We keep it in different folders. Likewise, in computer, all the files related to some projects, to a similar kind of information if they are holding, we keep it in cabinet known as folder. We can differentiate it by the icon. You can see the file icon is different from the folder icon. In folder, we can also store another folder. The folder inside the folder is known as subfolder. Okay. And you can differentiate file and folder with the help of icons associated with them. You can see over here on the screen the icons associated with the file you can see, and the icon associated with the folder you can see. You can easily differentiate between the file and folder. Thank you.